So we now have more than 225 Kevin Talks Irons videos. Kevin Talks Irons talking about antique pressing irons. But today I'm going to get off topic. What I'm going to talk about today is I'm going to talk about this. Now I've got a number of queries from some of our subscribers saying, well, what is that you have in the background there, and thinking that it's a piece of modern art. It is not. It is a scanning electron microscope image of a microorganism known as a silicoflagellate. And this is the other group that I study. Talking about myself, it appears that my interest is in subjects that have huge amounts of diversity and variability and are not very well known, especially to the general public. And I know I'm that kind of person because I have a hobby and a scientific research subject that both fit that description. Silicoflagellates are single-celled organisms with silica skeletons that live in the photic zone, that is to say in the sunlit portion of marine waters. They've been around for more than 100 million years. They are here today as well. And they live in those rather shallow waters. When they die, they sink to the bottom of the ocean, and where I study the ones that go to the bottom of the deep ocean, where they're incorporated into the sediments and recovered by drilling, and I take a look at a portion of these cores and I study these things to understand their evolution, clues towards climate change, and so forth. So I've had this query about these things and I thought I should explain them. I have been studying these things for 40 years. I've got most of 100 publications that you can see online, or if anybody wants some copies of that portion of my research, I can send you copies. So I hope that answers the question that many of you have asked. Silicoflagellates, I love silicoflagellates just as much as I love my old irons.